Hello everyone, myself Gopal Ramdas Mahajan, scientist in soil science. Today I am going to demonstrate you foliar spraying of nutrients, that is soluble nutrients and insecticide, a pesticide, insecticide and a fungicide. Why it is very important is many times farmer does not have fertilizers available with him at the time of at the time of application. He might miss the timing of application. So in these cases, foliar spraying of nutrients is one thing a farmer can rely on. Now there are different products what we have today is, out of which there are two nutrients or two products which are very important. One is boron and second one is potassium nitrate. One thing farmer must understand is foliar spraying of nutrient is not a complete substitution to the soil application of nutrients. If somebody is going for foliar spraying of nutrients, it doesn't mean that he should not apply nutrients in the soil. So he should apply soil application of nutrients at the same time. If he misses or if he does not have fertilizers available with him, he can go for foliar spraying of nutrients. So we have now two products with us. One is soluble boron and one is potassium nitrate, soluble potassium nitrate. So here is disodium octaborate tetrahydrate. Normally in fruit crops 2 grams to 2.5 grams per liter of water is recommended. Boron fertilizers are normally recommended as 2 grams per liter for fruit crops, or 2 to 2.5 grams per liter of water. Second thing is potassium nitrate. We also recommend around 2% spraying of this fertilizer. It is potassium nitrate which contains 13% potassium and 45% of nitrate. We recommend 2% of potassium nitrate spraying. So it means one should apply 20 grams of this fertilizer in 1 liter of water. For boron, one should apply 2 grams per liter. For potassium nitrate, one should apply 20 grams per liter. Now we'll show you how to measure the fertilizers and all. We do have a pump here which has a capacity of 20 liters. This is a 20 liter water capacity pump. So when we recommend boron fertilizers to be sprayed at a rate of 2 grams per liter, we should weigh for 20 liters of water 40 grams of boron fertilizer. So now we are measuring 40 grams of boron fertilizer for 20 liters of water. So this is exactly 40 grams of boron fertilizers which has to be dissolved into the 20 liters of water. Now we have 400 grams of potassium nitrate already weighed to be dissolved in 20 grams of 20 liters of water. So this makes almost 2% of potassium nitrate. So this is around 0.2% of spraying. This is around 2% of spraying. Besides nutrients, that is boron and potassium nitrate, we do have two important pesticides with us. In mango plants, what happens exactly is, mango plant hoppers are the one which cause damage when the mango plants bear flower. They suck the sap and they secrete some sugary substances which attracts the fungus and which is called as sooty mold, and the inflorescence turns blackish and we get almost no fruits out of the flowers. So to control mango leaf hopper and to control sooty mold, there are two insecticides what we have is, one is monoprotophos. You can see as monoprotophos 36 soluble liquid. So normally the recommendation for control of mango leaf hopper is to apply 2 ml of monoprotophos per liter of water. So for 20 liters of water we are measuring around 40 ml of monoprotophos. At the same time, when the sooty mold attack has already been observed, in that case what we can do is, one fungicide is there, that is copper oxychloride. So the same rate of application, that is 2 grams per liter is advocated. So we are weighing around 40 grams of copper oxychloride to dissolve it into 20 liters of water. Now we are clubbing nutrients and fungicides. It is just to reduce the cost of application. Otherwise, if you apply these fertilizers and insecticide, fungicide separately, it will add to your labor cost. So now our weighing and everything is complete. We will now dissolve all this content in a single bucket and we will put it into the pump. Right? Okay, we have now dissolved three components, that is soluble boron, then your copper oxychloride and potassium nitrate. We are using a stick because these are the local methods. Farmers may not find something to stir, so that's why we are using a stick. There is a filter here as well, so that no solid materials are going inside. Once we are sure that we have dissolved things, we'll put it into a sprayer. We'll repeat this process 2-3 times so that all the particles, solid particles, are dissolving here. You have to repeat this process till all the solid particles are dissolved. We'll also take out this portion and we'll put it there. We'll dissolve it and we'll put it into this solution. To add
Start.
Now we are going to add monoprotophos to this. Since this is a liquid, we'll add it separately. You can again put some little water here and you can put it there.
Yeah, start.
We are now going to show you the spraying of whatever solutions we have prepared. Part 1 is preparation of solution and putting into sprayer, and part 2 is spraying it on the plants. Now there are two important things. When we are applying nutrients, that is boron and potassium nitrate, we have to start the spraying of nutrients maybe second fortnight of November and thereon till the flowering appears. Now these plants have already bear flowering, so we have completed spraying to these plants from November onwards till February. So every fortnight one spray we are giving, say 2% of your boron product and 2% of your 2 grams per liter of your boron product and 20 grams per liter of your potassium nitrate. Second thing is pesticides. Now you can see the flowers. There are chances now that mango leaf hoppers will attack these and they will secrete some sugary substances and there will be an attack of say fungus, sooty mold. So to control green leaf hopper, we will go for spraying of monocrotophos, that we have already demonstrated preparation of solution. And second thing is your, once the black sooty mold start appearing to on the inflorescence, we will go for spraying of copper oxychloride. So we'll now demonstrate you. So these are two important things: spraying of nutrients and spraying of insecticide, fungicides. So you can club these two at the same time. Now we are spraying nutrients as well as your fungicide and insecticide, because the flowering is not complete. It's not 100% flowering. The plants are still bearing flowers. So we will show you demonstration on spraying of nutrients and now pesticides on mango plants. You can now see the sprayed material on the leaves. The leaves are wet.
3.
So here ends the demonstration of foliar spraying of nutrients as well as your insecticides. So this way you can harvest better yield of mango. At the same time you can reduce the insect pests attack. You can improve quantity of mangoes as well as quality of mangoes. Thank you very much.